So, welcome, guys. As you see, we open up the Fanuc software. We DXF it in. We go to the scale page. We're scaling it out, and we're getting rid of the unnecessary boundaries around the part. As you see on this part, I am just putting a box around it and then ending and doing the same process, and then getting rid of all the unnecessary things that we don't need for the drawing. So then, and then we'll scale it up to see what we're working with. And then here we are going to edit, move, parallel position, and then we're selecting the whole component, pressing end, and then we're going to go to the center point on the line in the middle, and then we're going to go move point 0, 0. And now here we're at the 0. So then we're going to select the machining figure, and it will turn green. So it'll be a closed profile. Here we are renaming the part, and then putting the Z value in, which is the thickness of our part. So in this case, it's 19.3. And then we'll click OK. Then the next thing, we'll go to the machine setup. Everything here stays the same apart from my material. I changed it to aluminium. And then here we are going to find the start point, which is 0.3 above the part. And then click the line that we're going to, which is obviously the parallel line in front of us. And then next we're going to go to the cutting conditions, which is a C1 cutting condition. And then we're going to choose the method. In this case, it's going to be a punch. So we're just going to rough out and cut only. And then we'll save the program, put the program number in, as you see me typing here. And then the program name, and then obviously the output file name as well. And then we'll copy and paste. So then now we'll hit the save play button to save it. So it's just saving the program. And then we'll open up the NC file G codes in that to see if we're on the right side of the line, which should be a G41 in this case, because we're going clockwise. Once it loads. So as you see, G41, which is left of the line, and we're going clockwise. So it'll be a punch. So here we are now. You go to the NC thing here, and then obviously we'll make this bigger, and then you'll click there. Normally there's another little drop down bar that comes up, which will be the machine, but the machine wasn't actually on at the moment. So then obviously you pull your program from it and drop it into the machine, and then it will save your program into it. And then here you are going on the rendering screen. So in this screen, you are seeing the what it's going to be doing on the machine. So it's cutting out. So it's just sort of giving you a reference of what it will be doing on the machine. So as you see, it's slowly going around and cutting out the profile that we are requiring. But yeah, it's a lovely, lovely little machine. And guys, if you want to see more of this content, make sure you are hitting the subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you would want, and then we can try and get them sorted. But honestly, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate anyone who watches these. Like, share them, comment on it. I appreciate any sort of support. So thank you guys for watching.